Today is March 25th, Wednesday. This is the 1975-76 Cadillac Eldorado power seat mechanism for my friend George Witmore in North Carolina. I'm doing a functional validation test on this unit that has been completely disassembled and rebuilt. This has now been reconfigured in the polarity in order to function in the right-hand position control module, with this right-hand positioning control module. So we have forward actuation, rear linear actuation, and now we'll raise the forward towers going upwardly, and retraction going downwardly, and forward motion one more time. And rear retraction. And that's the 1975-76 Cadillac Eldorado right-hand passenger configured power seat mechanism for the 1975-76 Cadillac Eldorado. This is George in Florida, and I have over 75,000 1967 to 1976 Cadillac Eldorado items in my collection, and over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the power steering columns, and the power seat mechanisms. Today is Wednesday, March 25th. Thank you very kindly. In addition, I have an additional controller for George as well for his left-hand side power seat mechanism.